This cat walked up upon us. We didn't do nothing. A wild cat. A stray wild cat. We did nothing to it. It showed up.
What do you want, buddy?
Hello, kitty. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with you, dog? Cough your organs up, my dude? Fucking yak's blood. Oh, kitty, it's a phone. Are you sick? Oh, nice kitty. Do not touch me.
What's up with you?
You got fucking whooping cough, my dude?
So it's my birthday. Came here to chores and a little kitty walked up to us.
It's a birthday cat.
What's up with you today, Mr. Kitty? What's up with you? Huh?
Gonna cough your lungs out? Hmm?
What do you want, Mr. Kitty?
Hello. Hi. Hi. You're soft.
Let's see if he wants to go inside the barn. Stop it!
Why do you want to put him inside the barn?
I don't know, maybe we can find some shit in there to help him out.
Yeah, but what if he can't get out, though?
We'll keep the door open.
No, we can't leave the door open.
Why?
Because infiltrators, like this thing.
Well, he's a poor little dude. Look how sad he looks.
Just open the door. Just let him in. Open the door.
Come on.
I want to pick him up, but... Whoa! It's a dude. It's definitely a guy. Dude, this is just a freaking dude, my guy. Let's go, you furker. Well, if we let him in, I know he'll find a way out. I mean...
There's water here if he needs water.
Hurry up, Artard.
Door open right there.
We're gonna call him Butters. Just kidding. What should we name him?
Cunt. No, let's not call him that. What's up, buddy?
Hurry up, idiot.
Come on. It looks weird.
It's like, what's this metal monster? Sometimes cats will want to go inside of cars. Have you heard of that?
What?
Hey, little doofus.
Is he pooping?
Hey, dingling. Yeah, over here, dummy. Hey, stupid. Come on, you dummy. Dude, he might puss out. Oh fuck, dude! There's a barracuda trap here. It's not a barracuda trap. I lied. It's just a regular trap. But I'm gonna trip it anyway. Just gotta be fucking careful as shit. How does this trap trigger?
I don't know. Just put it somewhere.
Oh wait, I think it already triggered. Yeah, it already did. So he can't get hurt. I literally shoved this thing.
Hey.
Hey. Curiosity killed the cat, you doofus.
Look what I got here for you, buddy.
Liquid water. It's water. He doesn't care.
What are you doing here?
Alright, we'll see you later.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
You can stay here.
Yeah.
You won't do anything. That's an owl, buddy. See, there's a toy owl.
Yeah. I think he's running into cobwebs.
Oh.
Or spider webs.
Meanders around the car and everything, run him over.
Well, if anything, he'll find water or something.
We can leave this door open.
No.
Fine.
Look how many escape
Fine,
hole
let's
reps.
go. Come on.
I was gonna say he's not.
This is what you expect when you have a barn and island.
I wasn't-
I look at that house over there. Tucker and I are just shitting around, like doing shit to music, and a fucking cat just like,
What's up?
"What's up, you figures?"
It's a boy.
All right, let's go then.
I think it's probably from one of the cats that meander around here.
He's young. He's young.
He's young blood.
He's young, bud.
Any names? Do you have any besides doofus, retard, and asshole?
I think Butterscotch is a good name.
No, that's so girly. He's a dude. Butterscotch is a bad name for a dude
How about
cat.
William?
William.
His name's William.
His new name is
His
William.
name's William. He's a little brief.
What about Ferguson?
No, you fucker.
Oh, okay, fine.